There's a voice in the dark, will it heal me or tear me up? There's a void in my heart that you're feeling, but it's never enough. But every time I hear my name, another part of me gives in. There's a voice in the dark and I can't seem to make it stop. I'm hearing sirens, I feel the cold strike through my chest. I'm seeing